Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store, then find Microsoft Edge. Click on the install. When it's ready, you'll be able to open a browser. Right here, you can read through introduction. I'm gonna skip it. Customize your browser with a wallpaper, show most visited sites, and a news feed. Let's click on the next. Right here, we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser and enable or disable data sharing. From here the browser is ready and you can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.